started last 2006, and we have a reliable product models, dealer network, and excellent after-sales service. So diversified din po ang portfolio ng Photon Philippines from commercial vehicles and then now going to passenger vehicles. And aside from passenger vehicles, from commercial to passenger, we are now going through, kumbaga kinukuhan, mayroon na rin kami complete line-up for the full electric vehicles and also for the lifetime models po. So, sa lahat po na naka-join for Lakbay Pinas, our FMPI plant po in Clark, it's the first automotive plant po, automotive plant in Clark po. Siya, sir, yan, nakita ko na yan. And who else po na pumunta ng Lakbay Pinas? John, ayan. So yung mga bago po, hoping po for the next time po na magkaroon ulit kami ng partnership with MBTC is makapunta rin kayo sa FMPI plant. And then for the FMPI plant po, it is 12,000 vehicles annually yung kaya po niyang i-produce. And then we are ISO certified po. So globally recognized standard validates Photon's consistent delivery of high quality products and continuous improvement in all business processes. This is the 25 dealerships po of Photon and more coming po from this year. Meron kami mga ilo-launch or mag-open, and then next year meron pa rin kami mga i-open na mga dealerships. So nationwide, from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. So we're not just after sales lang naman po, but we also support yung after sales namin. So if you need from warranty to parts, we have easy genuine parts available nationwide. We have 24/7 easy mobile on-site assistance, and then yung mga roadside assistance po. Minsan kung meron kayong mga travel po kapag mga Holy Week, nandiyan kami sa mga gasoline station nakaantabay for roadside assistance. So this is the complete, actually from heavy equipment to heavy duty trucks. Yung mga heavy duty trucks yan yung may karga-karga na yung naghihila po. So yan yung mga yon, medium duty trucks, light duty trucks, and then light commercial vehicles, passenger, pickup vans, and then the full electric vehicles. And speaking of full electric vehicles, ito na po, si Photon po ang number 1 na mayroong complete lineup for full electric vehicles. If you need a electric vehicle na pick-up, we have the Thunder EV. Our passenger, the Transvan Cargo. Earlier po, ang nasakyan niyo po kanina, yung service unit po natin is a Traveler, and that's 16 and 19 passenger. For Transvan po, we have 13 and 15 seating capacity. So we have also here yung mga trucks po pang commercial vehicles. And then ito yung mga malalaki namin for full electric vehicle, 100% po full electric, our EST tractor head, and then the vans, and then the light commercial vehicles. I would also like to share po our market share in the Philippines po versus China brands. Based on Campi report, Photon Philippines ranked 3rd. And then for the commercial vehicle share, we are ranked 2nd naman po. So 2nd to Isuzu Philippines. Thank you. And for everything po na sinabi ko po, here's a recap. Please watch the video. Ayan, so one more video po, mas shorten po siya for FFPI.